So there are many depressions. There are shokam, vishadam, bhayam, swapnam. What we see, what we go through these experiences. Suppose we have seen some people would see some very nightmares. So they would be holding those nightmares and they will be thinking about that for the whole day. So swapna is just a few seconds during our sleep. It will come and it will go. So it is like an illusion. But some people, they hold on to those swapnas and they go, continue to think about those swapnas. Similarly, bhayam. So I am afraid of something. I have to overcome it. So I cannot, if I have to think, but I have to overcome it. How I have to think how I can overcome it. So if I have the fear and if I go on with the fear, that is not good. Similarly, vishada and shoka, like Professor Jayaraman sir told that during the COVID period, many of the patients have, many of the people have died because of the COVID. And there was an example that he gave during the Satvika Dhriti, that one of the doctors who lost his mother or her mother, they immediately went for the service of the mankind. So that is the how you are holding the vishada and shoka. Yes, there are, because the attachment we should have, we would have the vishada, we would have the shoka, but that should not hold us forever, because the life is not eternal. It's going to it is going to be end for the life, and it is a well-known truth of this world. So holding on the vishada and shoka forever, it is not good. So what we have to do, we have to go for the satvika buddhi. So the person or the dhriti which is holding the person or the person who is having the grief or the griefs or the fear for forever, he is continuing that for his life. He is not coming out of that vishada or shoka. So this dhriti, this wholeness, this firmness which is holding us is the tamasi dhriti. Okay. So we have to go for the satvika, and for when we do the action, that the rajasikam dhritihi. Okay. Dhanyavadah. That's it. There is announcement.
Yes, sir. There is
announcement. Yes. So 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes. There is announcement. Okay. So last week we have celebrated the Samskrita week. From 19th to 24th, which was the, we have listened to many of the talks here. I personally, on behalf of the Division of Yoga and Spirituality, I thank the management, the registrar, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, and the dignitaries and the resource persons who spoke here, Professor Ramachandra Bhatt Acharya ji, Professor M.K. Sridhar, Professor Jayaraman sir, Dr. Usha Rani madam, and Sri Arun ji. So I thank wholeheartedly on the behalf of Division of Yoga and Spirituality for this. Means you are listening to the talks. Now there is a opportunity to you can participate in the competitions. So in the next month, September 16th to 21st, we are having competitions, Sanskrit competitions, Samskrita song, and Kantapata Sparda, Shloka recitation. Anyone, means there are 3 texts are there. You can choose any one and you can recite it. You have to by heart it and you have to recite it. Ashtanga Hridayam, the Dinacharya Adhyaya of the Ashtanga Hridayam, selected first to 30 shlokas, and the Yoga Sutra, Pratham Pada, Dvitiya Pada, you have to by heart and recite, or the Brihad Jatakam of Varaha Mihira. So there is a Graha Bheda Adhyaya. So there are 20 shlokas are there. So any one of these 3 texts, you can choose any one of these 3 texts and you can by heart and recite. And apart from this, you have the Sanskrit song competition, Sanskrit singing competition, and reels making competition on the importance of Sanskrit. Okay, so these are the competitions. The due notice we will also send to all the departments, and if you want to register, you can come to the Yoga and the Dean Office, Yoga and Spirituality Division, and you can register for yourself. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. NSS unit of S-VYASA is organizing a 7-day camp which starts from tomorrow in Halenijgal village. And here 3 schools are participating, the TSYNM and the School of Yoga and School of Physiotherapy. The students were selected based on their credits of working in NSS, all the programs like blood donations and Shramadanas. And we invite you all to visit and also share your knowledge with the villagers and also interact with the villagers. This starts from tomorrow, where we'll reach the campsite and we'll be having an inauguration program. And we'll be coming back on 4th September 2024. So you are pleased to welcome and interact with the villagers and share your knowledges. Thank you.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।